P-E-A.
Ah, so it tastes like peas.
Bean.
Hi guys, today we are looking at fava beans. It's the most magical bean in the world. Just want to show you inside. So this is the fava bean. Can you see inside how amazing that is? Exactly 4 fava beans. How dare you say that to me? How is it possible? And the cool thing about these is they... Oh shit. Today we're looking at fava beans, the most magical bean in the world. Oh! How many do you want?
4, please.
4. Exactly 4. Exactly 4 fava beans. How dare you say that to me? You cruel man. Who in the world wants 4 fava beans?
400, please.
400. 400 is more like it. Okay. Fava beans, guys. Fava beans. And Dom actually likes to eat these in his salad, raw. I know. Because I think a lot of people say these are actually toxic raw, which I don't believe it. But you never know. I don't know. He's still alive. Dom, you okay? Any problems with your organs? No? You're okay? He's okay! So what's the deal? Do you think fava beans can be eaten raw? Yes? Do you think that half of what is in the news and the science departments is absolute BS? Yes. Write below in the comments what you think. Can it be eaten raw? Tell me the truth. I'm going to just grab one more because he wanted exactly 4 and now he's eaten 1. And so these are the plants, but we had a crazy storm and it just basically has ruined everything, but it's okay. You know, they grow quite tall, they've got quite big thick stalks, and the pods just grow on these plants. So I just want to show you inside quickly. Hold on, hold on. Can I do this? Can I do? Thick. I lost the strawberry. Man overboard, man overboard. Look at these, guys, look, guys, look. Just want to show you inside. So this is the fava bean. Can you see inside how amazing that is? You want to take it? You're eating it? Okay. So, can I just do a little thing of you? Oh, hold on. So this is inside the fava bean. Can you see what a beautiful bean it is? And it is quite soft and nice, but I don't actually like them that much. But Dom is going to be in the video a second. Take your fava bean and eat it. Well done. So,
Very good.
Dom,
I'm alive.
can you describe the taste of the fava bean, please?
It's like a big piece. Big pea.
Like a big pea.
Big pea.
Like a pea or a P-E-A?
P-E-A.
Ah, so it tastes like peas.
Peas.
Peas?
Yeah, peas.
Okay. When you said like a big pea, it just didn't sound right. Do you think there's a risk of, I don't know, sudden death or something?
Do you think that I'm crazy to eat them raw?
If there was a risk?
Yeah.
No.
Exactly.
I think you may be the smartest
So
genius.
this is your video, give me the camera.
No! You have to be in the video! Get in the video!
Give me the camera,
Let's
please.
go in the video together. Hello,
So
world.
she's alive because she doesn't eat the fava beans.
Okay, but really, we have to discover the truth. Who is right? Why does everyone say certain
Who is ripe?
Who is ripe? Definitely the fava beans are ripe. But who is right and wrong? What is the deal with fava beans? Raw, cooked? What's the deal?
Dehydrated.
Dehydrated? People do that too? I don't know. think everyone Dom looks so good. How could the fava beans be bad? Is it possible? Oh my god.
Oh my god. Anyway.
Okay. Right, thanks
me...
guys. Okay. See you in the next video guys. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Bye.